In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the options chain on Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to open a stock chart, access the options chain, select an expiration and strike price, open the order ticket, connect your broker, and place the order directly from Tradingview. First, open Tradingview. Launch the website in your browser or open the desktop app so you're on the main Tradingview screen. Next, search and open a stock chart. Click the symbol search bar at the top. Type the ticker, for example, a PPL, then select it from the results. The chart loads on your screen. Make sure you're on the symbol page or chart view for this stock. Now, click the Options tab. You'll find it at the top of the chart or at the top of the symbol page. Click Options to open the options chain for this stock. The chain displays available contracts organized by expiration dates and strike prices, with calls and puts side by side. From here, select the expiration date. Look for the expiration list or drop-down and choose the date you want. This sets how many days are left until the option expires, which affects price and time decay. Click the exact date you intend to trade so the chain refreshes to that expiration. Once that's done, choose your strike price under calls or puts. Calls typically appear on the left and puts on the right. If you're new to this, a call gives you the right to buy the stock by the expiration date, and a put gives you the right to sell the stock by the expiration date. Scroll if needed to find the strike that matches your plan, then focus on the row for that strike under the correct side. Now click the price to open the order ticket. In the options chain, click directly on the price for the contract you want. This opens the order ticket pre-filled with the symbol, expiration, strike, and whether it's a call or a put. Review what you see on screen to confirm it matches the contract you selected. If the details aren't what you intended, close the ticket and click the correct price again from the chain. At this point, connect your broker and place the order. If you're not already connected, click the broker connection option in Tradingview. Select your broker from the list, and sign in to authorize the connection. Once connected, return to the order ticket. Confirm the contract details one more time so you're placing the exact order you want. When everything looks correct, click the button to place or submit the order through your broker. Wait for the confirmation message or order status to appear. If you see a working or filled status, your order has been sent successfully. If the system prompts you to confirm, read the prompt and accept to proceed. If you need to adjust anything before sending, make the change directly in the order ticket. Then place the order again. If you change your mind after placing it, you can manage or cancel the order from your broker's order panel inside Tradingview, but only do this if necessary and after confirming the current status. That's it. You've opened Tradingview, loaded a stock chart, accessed the Options tab, selected the expiration and strike, opened the order ticket, connected your broker, and placed the order. Your options chain workflow on Tradingview is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.